Good morning, students. Today in this video, I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, respecting others, respecting oneself. This chapter it is taken from the book named Be Positive, a textbook of moral value standard 7. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, let see the chapter title. Okay, it said respecting others, respecting oneself. It means simple word, we have to understand that it is saying that we should respect each and every person living who are living in the society, in the society, in the country, in the world. We should never ever discriminate the person. So this chapter also tells us about the democratic behavior. How should we behave with to in front of the people? This chapter will tell us to identify and respect each and every religion, and we will come to know that we should respect. We should never ever discriminate the people on the basis of their background, their caste, their sex. Okay, now let's get started. I am going to read the first, get the ball rolling. Democratic culture means to promote human value and to balance between right and duty. Similarly, it includes personal, social, and national peace, a feeling of brotherhood, and a universal relationship among people. For this, we should participate and encourage all to participate in different activities. Democratic behaviors help in building character and promoting social tolerance and collective lifestyle. So, first of all, let me explain about the word democratic. Democratic means in Hindi we can say Loktantra, the country, the society that all the people have their right to live happily, to they should they know their right, how they should live their life. We in For example, we can take example of our country. Our country is democratic country because variety of there are a variety of people come from different background, diversity. Okay, diversity means the people who comes from different background, follow different culture, believe in different religious and custom, and follow their different apparel, food. Okay, so India is a democratic country, but it means democratic culture means to promote human value, to develop human value, and to balance between right and duty. In democratic country, people have known about their right, that what they should do, what they should not do. Similarly, it includes personal, social, and national peace, a feeling of brotherhood and universal relationship among people. In democratic society, people establish a relation, establish a connection of among the people, so that they will live happily forever. For the betterment of the society, they should follow, they do follow the rules and regulation. So this chapter, it is a story about a beautiful village named Devantar. So I am going to read this paragraph. After that, I will explain. Devantar is a very beautiful village. Different people live in Devantar. They have separate religious, educational, social, and cultural beliefs. Weak, disabled, and differently able people are also in this village. The occupation of these people are also different. So it is a story about a village named Devantar, and in this village, different types of people live in Devantar. They do follow, they do believe separate different religion. They they have different educational qualification. They come from different social. They do believe different social and cultural belief, and also weak and disabled and differently able people. Differently able people means the person with special needs, they also live in this village. And the occupation, okay, occupation means service job. The occupation of these people are also different. That means some people do farming, some people do mm, selling their item, some people do banking, whatever. Matlab each and every people, they do different kinds of job in village Duvanta. Second paragraph, it said many people visit Devantar to enjoy the natural beauty and learn about the social perspective. It is beautiful as well as peaceful village. Old value and tradition also prevail in the college along with new practices. The people are honest and wise as well. So many people, they visit Devantar to enjoy the natural beauty and want to learn about the social perspective, that how the people of Devantar, they live their life happily, how they establish good relation, establish brotherhood among the people. And people of Devantar, believe they do believe old value and tradition that also prevail in the village along with the new practices. And the people of the Vantar are very honest and wise as well. Next paragraph, people from different caste and religious group live together in the Vantar. They help each other and like to work collectively. They hold discussion before they start any work. They share each other view and involve the person having opposing view together in different activity. They help each other on various occasions like festivals, celebration, fairs, irrespective of their religious value and culture. So people, okay, the people of the village Devanta, they come from different caste, come from different religious group, but they do not do discrimination among the basis on the base among the people on the basis of their caste and race. They live together in village Devanta, and every time if someone needs help, they do help each other and like to work collectively. And also whenever they want to start any work, before that they hold discussion. They uh, they share their view regarding that work. After that, if until and unless they find the conclusion, they come into the conclusion, then they will start working. And also they help each other on various occasions like festival, celebration, and fairs, irrespective of their religion, value, and culture. So it means this chapter, it tells us about the democratic behavior, that how the people living in democratic society, democratic culture, how do they live, and how do they live their life, and they have they have already know their right, basic right, and they also, for the betterment of the society, they follow the rules and regulation and establish relationship among the people. So that's enough for today. There are other paragraph given in this chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.